how can you add an app to your favorites on the iPhone? Let me show you a couple of methods you have available. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course there isn't like the official like method to put them into a favorites folder and whatnot, but you have the option to like go to the edit mode for your apps, like move one app on the top of the other and create a folder which you can name however you like. So me personally, I like to create a folder which is named favorites, and there I put all of the apps which I want to quickly access and have them like easily available inside of the favorites. However, you can also just, sometimes when you swipe down to access the search, or, there are also like the Siri widgets, which put the like sort of like used favorite apps, whatever, there. If you want to control that specifically, well, we don't really have that many options with that, but we can go to the settings, then a Siri, and there you can see like apps at the bottom, and you can decide which apps are supposed to be shown, which apps are supposed to be suggested. And if you simply don't want some of the apps to show up, just disable the toggle next to the ability for them to be suggested. So that would be something which you can do to like avoid a couple of particular apps. But that is all that we can really do about it. If you have some additional questions, let me know about it below. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.